Hi, and welcome back to another day of e-learning. Just an update. For today, what you should be doing is, one, if you have not turned in rat packet number 2 yet, you do need to do that. It was due yesterday, but again, it was one of the longer ones out of the rat packets we're doing. So rat packet 1 and rat packet 3 are very short. They aren't really even packets. They're front and back worksheets. So for today, I am going to post a Google form that's going to review the respiratory, circulatory, and digestive system that you can do quick, just to refresh yourself on the different functions and important organs in those systems. And then what you'll do is come to the classwork tab like normal, click on rat packet 3, and you should have all of these resources. So what you'll be completing is this actual worksheet. So again, it's relatively short. So I am going to give you today and tomorrow to do it. I feel like that is plenty of time. But here I've lumped the circulatory and respiratory systems together because they work relatively close. And then the digestive system is down here. Anything that's highlighted are questions that you should be answering. And then interdependence, again, that is how two or more body systems work together. Now, to answer these questions, I have created another resource page for you with different pictures and diagrams that should be able to help you. And also, I've posted the online rat dissection here. So all of these resources should be a way for you to answer all of the questions that you see here. Okay? Honestly, that's all that I really have for you today. I'm trying to cut down because I know that it's crunch time in some of your other classes. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know, and have a good day.